Hey everyone, so quick guide to this amazing app called CoinSnap, which you can just use to identify coins. And yeah, so for example, here it is, and I can just scan any coin super easy with help of AI, and then I can just change it like this. And then, yeah, I can just select how it looks like, and then I can see what's the price of it. So let's just check out. So 0.1995. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. So estimated price can be 1.65 US dollars, which is higher than already the price of the coin, because 5 krona is around like 70 cents or 80 cents US cents. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and you can see super fast, smooth scanning. It's really identified amazingly well, and then you can see all these reference images, all the specifications, all this lettering. You can then add it to collection. You can add some value. Yeah, so super cool. That's what you can do even in the free version of the app. However, in the free version of the app, you just have limited amount of scans. So yeah, that's basically what it is. Yeah, hope that was helpful.